If you're married or in a relationship and are looking for something fun and exciting to do together, I'd like to invite you to check out Date Night Living Room Dancing, where you two can learn how to dance in the comfort and privacy of your own home. Hi, I'm Hunter, and I've helped thousands of couples around the country feel more closely connected together and have a blast by learning how to dance in their living rooms. And what this is a done-for-you date night program that thousands of couples have gone through, just like Tim here, who, even though he had 2 left feet, was able to pick up the moves right away and had a blast with his girlfriend. But it's a done-for-you date night where I'm going to teach you guys 11 social swing dance moves that you can dance to any music. So whatever music you want, throw it on. Learn these moves. You can mix and match them so it looks like you know 100 moves to anybody dancing. And this program is designed for and made for beginners. That's right. It's made for people who don't dance, guys with 0 dance experience, guys who have 2 left feet, 4 left feet, 10 left feet. It doesn't matter. We're going to fix that problem. Guys with no rhythm, also doesn't matter. None of that matters because this program is simplified down to show you these 11 simple moves that anybody can pick up and, more importantly, build the confidence to dance together. And the reason that it's so fun and couples have such a blast going through it, and they've sent in clips of themselves dancing and how much this made them feel closely connected together, is that when you dance with your partner, it just creates a special kind of magic that you can't replicate anywhere else. I call it the dance effect, and I talk a little bit about it more in the program and how to activate that. But it really is something that helps strengthen your relationship, kind of add a new hobby or just something fun and simple to do without even having to leave your house. So go ahead and click the link up top if you're on mobile to check it out, or down below on the desktop, and I'll see you on the other side.